Hi YouTube. I'm making this video as a video response to Jen Cali 78 here on YouTube. Hi Jen. She's having a 1400 subby giveaway challenge in which she wanted us to show our favorite girl/boy image stamps. So I decided to show the greeting form, which is my favorite. I have to be honest, I just started stamping images. I just started getting into it. I was always one of those people that said I would never join the Copic craze. The price of those markers are ridiculous. So let me show real quick. This is what I would use to color. I know it's sad. But that's what I would use. And before the images, it worked fine for what I needed. I was always doing altered items or mini albums or stuff like that. So I mostly used, my Cricut for a lot of things. So stamping wasn't really my thing, like I said. But I started getting into cards more and invitations and stuff that was needed for my son's school, which got me into stamping. So little by little, I've been collecting, things here and there. But it wasn't until I saw Pinkalicious Scrapper here on YouTube. Hi, Jeanette. And she showed her greeting form collection, and I had to have them. Like, the images are just so cute, and, then I started watching YouTube videos of Copic coloring to maybe start learning. So yes, I have joined the Copic craze, and I am one of those people. But it's okay. I find a really good deal for them on the Scrapyard, which is a Facebook group, which is where I get my greeting form stamps from. So here they are. The bottom row, like I said, because I get them off the Scrapyard, the bottom row is used, but they see, I'm doing this one-handed. They're not cut or anything, so the images really looks brand new. Doesn't come with the first sheet or anything like that, so I went ahead and stamped them and then just named them at the bottom. And then the ones that are in the packaging, I've also gotten from the Scrapyard. There's a seller who sells them brand new, and it's cheaper than actually getting them from the website, so I get them from her. And then the top one was from another Facebook group called Scrapbook Deals. And I got that one for a really good deal as well. And it was used. So this is my collection so far. I plan on collecting a lot more. They're really fun to work with. And like I said, I am a Copic beginner. So I think I have like maybe 20 markers now. And I just placed the order for more, and so I hope to share soon what I come up with. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you, Jen, for hosting this challenge, which is fun. It's fun to show off what you use to other people. Maybe it could inspire someone else. So I thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have a chance, go check out Jen's video, and she's once again Jen Cali 78 here on YouTube, and join in on the challenge. Thank you for watching. Bye.